It was determined that a structure failure of the tunnel lining failed approximately 5 to 6 miles in, trapping that we thought 27 individuals. 4 actually went in to rescue, to assist, so a total of 31, and a total of 31 were evaluated.
Anytime you tunnel underground, you encounter different conditions in different locations. And obviously there was a location that squeezed the tunnel and forced it to partially collapse. We'll have to go back and look and see what we can do to make that repair, not only repair it, but make it stronger so it works into the future.
I know when we raced down here, I was so concerned that we were going to find tragedy. Instead, what we found was victory. All of the men that were in that tunnel rescued, up, safe. And I just have to tell you that we're all blessed today in Los Angeles. No one injured, everyone safe, and I am feeling very, very good that this is a great outcome in what started as a very scary evening.